Hindenburg Research, the US-based short seller known for its critical reports on corporate fraud, made new allegations involving Madhabi Puri, who is the chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The latest claims suggest a potential conflict of interest due to Puri's alleged stakes in offshore funds linked to the Adani Group. Hindenburg Research gained prominence for its investigative reports on corporate wrongdoing and financial misconduct. Named after the infamous Hindenburg disaster, the firm made headlines with its January 2023 report accusing the Adani Group of significant financial irregularities, including stock manipulation and accounting fraud. This report precipitated a massive sell-off of Adani Group shares, which saw the conglomerate lose over $100 billion in market value. The recent allegations by Hindenburg claim that SEBI Chairperson Madhabi Puri and her husband had undisclosed investments in offshore funds. These funds, according to Hindenburg, were also linked to Vinod Adani, the elder brother of Adani Group's chairman Gautam Adani. The allegations suggest a possible conflict of interests that could have influenced SEBI's regulatory actions or lack thereof. In response, Madhabi Puri and her husband have vehemently denied the allegations. According to the press release, the 2015 investment in question was made when both were private citizens in Singapore prior to Madhabi joining SEBI. The report states that Daval role at Blackstone Private Equity, which began in 2019, was due to his expertise in supply chain management and was publicly disclosed. Additionally, Blackstone was added to Madhabi Puri's recusal list following her appointment to SEBI. They have condemned the allegations as an attempt by Hindenburg to engage in character assassination rather than respond to the show cause notice sent. These accusations and allegations have broad implications for both SEBI and the ongoing Adani saga. If proven true, the claims could undermine confidence in SEBI's impartiality and regulatory effectiveness, raising questions about the integrity of its investigations. For the Adani Group, which has been vigorously defending itself against accusations of stockpiling and stock manipulation, this new dimension of controversy could further complicate its public image and regulatory challenges. The opposition and various stakeholders are closely watching the situation. Critics of the Adani Group are calling for an independent probe into the new allegations against SEBI's chief to ensure transparency. Meanwhile, supporters of SEBI argue that these claims could be an attempt to distract from the core issues of the investigation into the Adani Group. The legal and political fallout from these allegations could shape the future of corporate regulation in India and impact high-profile corporate investigations. As the probe unfolds, the focus will likely remain on determining the veracity of Hindenburg's claims and the potential implications for SEBI's actions. The situation underscores the complex interplay between corporate power, regulatory oversight, and market dynamics, illustrating the challenges of ensuring accountability and transparency in high-stakes financial environments. The latest developments in the Hindenburg-Adani case introduce new allegations that could significantly impact the ongoing investigation and the credibility of key regulatory institutions in India. And for more on this, we earlier spoke to Professor Dr. Suyash Bhatt, who's the director at Academy for Finance Technology and Innovation from New York, on how the Hindenburg's claims could affect the stock markets.
This is the second time that the Hindenburg report is going to have an impact on the Indian market. The last time it came, I think almost $100 billion worth of valuation was wiped out of the Adani stock. And this time, I think it is more serious in terms of the regulator itself being questioned. So you are seeing a record inflows in mutual fund. You are seeing, an enthusiasm of retail in the capital market. So all of this will have some kind of a doubt or question mark, at least from a investor's perspective. So it will have an impact in short term.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.